Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin halving coming up in May 2020. Probably less than 5 months, we'll have a halving coming up. And I will touch on Bitcoin SV as well. Of course, everybody know that Bitcoin SV has been going like ballistic. And before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You don't miss out the upcoming airdrop or token swap. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv and bitchu.com as well. Library.tv, you can earn library token just by watching videos. And this is a decentralized YouTube basically. If you're interested, you can click the link below. Also, in case you haven't installed the Brave browser, and you can check it out. And you can also earn basic attention token as well. If you're interested, you can click the link below. Let's talk about the Bitcoin halving coming up. So less than 5 months, we are going to have a Bitcoin halving. So for every block, the reward for the miners will be cut by half from 12.5 Bitcoin to 6.25 Bitcoin. So let's talk about the first halvings and see what happened. So the first halving is on November 28th. So November 28th is somewhere in here, 2012. And at the time is around $12. So actually like around 5 months before the actual halving day, they already has a big pump, which was on August 16, 2012. They already have a big pump from around probably $5 back in June, around $5 all the way pump to $15. So it's like a 3x, right? 3 times. And then of course after the pump it goes down again. There's a correction, they dump, and then it pumps a little bit again before the halving. But after the halving, it just goes sideways. I think it dumps back again and goes sideways and for a while, and then it reached a local top. There's a local top 260, like 268 from the $12 from the first halving. 268 and 268 from the $12. So it's how many x in there? Let's see, which is around 22x, right? So 22x. And that was on April 9, 2013. And don't forget the first halving is on November 28, 2012. So which is less than 5 months, they have a local top. They pump. And of course, after that, they're going to dump back again all the way down to like 51, like $50, which is like 82% correction. And of course, 2013, let's see, and then it goes sideways for a while, and then it pumps again in all the way back to December, around December 2013, all the way around 1,200. So so from $50 it goes sideways, and then I think in September it was around $110, right? And then it go let's see, I think 133, it go parabolic all the way to 1,200. So yep, so this is pretty cool. So the thing is, like, people are FOMO in or anything. I mean, to me there's always opportunity, but anyway, so this is around 10x. So this is around 10x. Of course, after this, it pumps all the way, it dumps all the way back down. And then 2014, 2015, of course, is the bear market, right? And so the second halving. Let's look at the second halving. The second halving is on July 9, 2016. So July, just see July, where is it? July 9, around here, 2016, at the time is around 650, around 650. This is the second halving. So the second halving day is 650. So I think 2 to 3 weeks before the actual halving day, they pump from, let's see, from May 20, I think from May 20th of May 29, from 442, they pump all the way up to 778. So this is 2x. And of course, they will dump back down. This is like a parabolic move, right? From May to June, less than a month, basically. And of course, it's a parabolic move, and then it's dumped back down again. And July 9, yeah, 2016, yep, July 9. So before the halving, of course, there's a dump. So, and then after the halving, so before the halving, there's a pump. Then of course they dump, and then after the halving, after July 9, they're going to obviously they're going to dump. So buy the rumors, sell the news. So based on the first halving they pump about 5 months before the actual halving. The second time around, they pump like 2 to 3 weeks before the 2 to 3 weeks. I think it's not 2 to 3 weeks. I think from May, from here, probably from May to June, right? So let's see, May 22nd, and then to June 16, probably a month. A month. They pump a month, yeah. And then they pump all the way to 776. Then, of course, they dump after the halving. Of course, they dump all the way back down, right, to how much? 479. So from almost lost half of the value. And of course, it goes sideways for a while, and then there's a local top. Local top is around 1,200 from 400 something. They go sideways, go all the way. There's a local top 1,200, and then there's another local top in May 24th. This is on what, January 5th, 2017, and then on May. Let's see, on June 2017 is almost 3,000. So, which is almost, let's see, almost a year after the first halving. From first halving, they pump all the way to 3,000, which is the local top. And of course, at the end of the 2017, there's a parabolic move, right? So pump all the way to 20,000. So it takes about, the second halving takes about 1.5 years from the second halving, from $657 all the way to 20K. It takes 1.5 years to pump 20K. And then I think the most parabolic run is at the end of 2017. So this is like a parabolic run, basically. So this is pretty interesting because based on the first two halving, you can see they pump ahead of the halving. And of course, after the halving, they're going to dump the price. And this is pretty interesting. So let me know what you think about this Bitcoin halving. Do you think this will affect the price of Bitcoin? Do you think right now we are ready for the pump, like the pre-halving pump, before the actual halving on May 2020, which is less than 5 months? So right now the crypto fear and greed index is 55. This is a little bit lacking indicator, but it's just a reference point. So people go greedy a little bit now. And for the poll for Mr. Anderson, what happened first? 7,600 is 39%, 9,600 is 60%. So the opposite is true. So that's mean we probably may not go to 9,006 based on past history, right? If you follow my channel, and I could be wrong as well. So Bitcoin SV, let's talk about Bitcoin SV. So Bitcoin SV has been going ballistic, like almost like a vertical move in just one day, less than 24 hours. It pumps all the way to 435. Right now it's around 300 bucks. And in terms of coin market cap, this is a little bit ridiculous. Of course, number one is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and let's see. And Bitcoin Cash is number 4. Bitcoin SV is number 5. Surpassed Tether, Litecoin, EOS, and Binance Coin, Monero, Tron, Dash, Cardano. I mean, seriously, the Bitcoin SV is number 5. Is it a scammy coin? I mean, I don't know what, I mean, seriously. The reason why there's a big pump is because I'm not sure if this is an exit scam. Sounds like it's very scammy to me. The reason why they pump vertical is Bitcoin for the Bitcoin SV is because Craig Wright claimed that he got the key to prove he created Bitcoin. Of course, he's a fake Satoshi. He's not the real deal. Come on, hello. And he's just faking all along. And this is I hope this is not another exit scam, right? I hope not. Just like the BitConnect and all that. And I think January 11, like probably 5 days ago, 5 or 6 days ago, right? 5 days ago. So Kevin tweet about true value follows utility, big BSV news coming soon. At the time on January 11, Bitcoin SV is around 160 or something like that. And of course, this make the people who support Bitcoin SV very excited. And another ridiculous thing is this Bitcoin SV is basically BS. I mean, Satoshi Vision overtake Binance Coin. I mean, Binance is a big exchange, right? And then at least Binance is making money because if you're trading, you have to pay the trading fee, right? But Bitcoin SV, what do? They just mining their own coin and then they listing in some shady exchange. I don't get it, seriously. I mean this can only happen in crypto. I mean, seriously. How can they take over like Binance and as well as surpass like Litecoin as well, right? What do you think? Let me know what you think about this. This is insane. And he claimed that he has the key, and he's going to prove it in the U.S. federal court in Florida. And then I think the judge in the federal judge in Florida order right to disclose the private key that will prove the claim that he is actually the Satoshi, right? And then he also write the bonded courier possession of the key who delivered them this month. Really? So, come on. If you have your key, you should have your key with you. Why you have to have the courier? It doesn't make sense. Seriously, this is just buying time to pump the coin. I'm just guessing. And sounds like it's an exit scam, right? I don't know. I'm not sure. Let me know what you think what you think about this Bitcoin SV. This is like a joke. This is really like a joke. And then in terms of the exchange that they listed, I think a lot of exchange already delisted them already. In terms of this exchange, I never heard about this exchange. Wahoo, I don't know. Wahoo, I don't know. I mean, this is a China exchange, and OK Exchange, and then I don't know. I never heard about all this exchange, and I don't use all these exchanges from China as well. And Buybox is an OK Exchange, it's not a first tier exchange. And HitBTC is a scammy exchange. I mean, I could be wrong too. What is Fat BTC? What is this thing? I have no idea. Hotbit is a scammy exchange. I don't know. I don't know. Let me know what you think about this. I mean, Wahoo is not scammy, but WoW is from China, but they can do anything they want, I guess. And have you used this exchange? I never heard about this. OK Exchange, I don't use it either. Let me know what you think about all this thing. I mean, I would love to hear from you. I mean, this is a little bit ridiculous. How can in CoinMarketCap it listed as the top 5 surpass Litecoin, Binance Coin, Monero, Dash? This could only happen in crypto. So let me know what you think about the Bitcoin SV. Do you think this is an exit scam? It's a pump and dump scheme? This is just to buy time. He said he's going to disclose the key. Is it just to buy time to pump the price and then to dump the price? Basically, this is pump and dump. There's a lot of wash trading, and all this exchange they listed on all the shady exchange. They can just do wash trade, just to pump and dump the price. And yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you think about this. I would love to hear from you. And let me know what you think about the Bitcoin halving. Do you think we are going to be pump ahead before the actual halving day, and then there will be a dump, and then do you think we are on the track of parabolic move? Let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you. And I probably will do more price analysis about the halving. But I don't I'm a little bit ran out of time, so I'm just doing some type of trend analysis right now. Not a financial advice. Use your own due diligence. I'm not your financial advisor. So anyway, comment below. I would love to hear from you. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe. You don't miss out the upcoming airdrop tokens as well. Or you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv as well. And please comment below. That will help my ranking in YouTube, and I will continue to provide quality video for you guys. And if you haven't hit the notification bell, make sure you hit the notification bell. Some of the video may be time sensitive, but well, don't FOMO in anything, don't FOMO. When people FOMO, you do the opposite. So you don't follow the herds. You don't want to be the sheep, right? You don't want to be God's slaughter. Anyway, remember, crypto deep divers. We, the people, take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, commodity, or stock market can has inherent risk. Please use your due diligence.